Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are safe. I hope you all are healthy and staying at home following the rules and regulations of the government, guys. Kindly adhere to the rules and guidelines of the government because they are really working hard. Also, one more important thing, guys. We have done like Vasol Tarot Prediction and Vasol Counseling have made an initiation and its team is working towards this initiation. Initiation is all about whatever live sessions, whatever donations will be collecting through this live sessions or of the lockdown, and whatever collections, whatever donations will be collecting through our tarot prediction, zodiac signs reading, free of cost. Whatever donations will be collecting, whatever funds will be raising, we all will be, that particular donations will be contributed to PM Care Funds every single day for the next 3 days, because today is day 4, and like for the next 3 days more, okay, till 16th of April, every single day whatever donations we are receiving. Thank you so much, guys. I am grateful to you, and the people who want to contribute it, the donation link will be given on the caption above. You can donate it as much as possible, and even if you are donating 1 rupee also, we are grateful to you. So help us with raising this fund, and yeah, like this donations every single day we are transferring whatever amount we are getting to PM Care Funds, and half of the amount we are also contributing to the state government, Madhya Pradesh state government, because if because of the ingredients which we are getting and everything, so like the people who are donating food and everything for the ingredients of wheat, rice, maize, whatever it is, we are contributing in whichever way possible. So kindly help us in generating the donations, guys. The donation details will be given in the caption above. So please, even if you are donating single rupee, 1 rupee also, so we'll be grateful to you for that. Okay, so please, okay guys, whatever questions during the lockdown you have, like about the lockdown and all, so you can type it here. I'll try to answer it as much as possible. Also, one more thing, today is the our live session day 4. Okay, only 3 days are left, that is till 16th of April I'll be doing this live sessions. Okay, before that I want to also say about workshop. We are conducting 2 workshops for one month. One is of 5,000, the second one is of 25,000 for 1 month. If you want, you can enroll. That workshop will be the one which is for 5,000. It has 3 sessions every single week you have to attend, and that those sessions will be conducted through Skype, via Zoom or WhatsApp video calls. Okay, and the topics will be how to be motivated at home, how creative you can be at home, how productive we can be at home, what are the career lifestyles we should choose in our future, and what career paths, like if you want to start a business, how you can start on the business, planning procedure from initiating a startup to implementation of the startup. You can do it. We'll be teaching you how to do it via video calls. Okay, so the same have the all the topics are same in both the workshop. The only difference is that one is for 3 sessions, like 3 days in a week, and the other one is of daily, including Saturday and Sunday. Okay, and the one which is of 25,000, the workshop details and the topics are more elaborative, more it contains a lot of activities, a lot of things. We also cover how we can deal with anxiety issues, how we can deal with depression and everything. So yes, if you want, you can join our workshop. The details of the workshop will also be given in the caption above. You can inbox me on this Facebook. Okay, Facebook Vasol Counseling. So I'll be giving you, or I will be sharing you the details. Okay, so today is day 4. Okay, the topic for today is self-analyzing. How to self-analyze yourself. Now, most of the people really don't know how to self-analyze themselves. Like, where they always tell that they are this, but actually, who are they? What is their identity? Where do they stand in their life? Like, Do you really know yourself better than others? That's one question. No one really in the world knows. There are a lot of less number of people who actually know themselves better than anyone else. If I ask today, how many people of you know yourself better? No one really knows them better. Okay, so this is why this activity is conducted today, because every single person out there sorry, every single person out there needs to know themselves in a better way. First of all, if you know make a consideration that I know that person better, so do you know yourself better? No, but you know other person better. I don't understand this logic. Okay, so I would urge every single person out there, this is a self-analyzing activity. Every single person out there should know themselves better than anyone else. Okay, if you are confident about yourself, if you are satisfied with yourself, if you are happy for what you are doing and for what you have and what you want to do in future, that is the most important thing. Okay, self analyzation is the one of the biggest activity or one of the biggest topic when it comes to motivational things, because if we ourselves are not satisfied, if we ourselves are not motivated, if we ourselves are not happy, how you can be motivated to someone else? How the other people will be thinking about you, right? So you have to be confident enough with yourself. Okay, so let's start one activity. Today I won't be talking about this description and all. I won't be explaining you much, but I am going to ask you a few questions. I want you to have one paper and pen. All the 12 people or 15 people, whosoever, how many people, no matter what, whosoever is live in this session currently, I want you to bring one paper and pen. Okay, right now I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Okay, bring pen and paper, because this is an important activity which I'll be asking you to do it. Okay, pen, paper or copy, notebook, whatever it is, if you have, bring pen and paper. I'll be asking you questions and you need to write the answers. You don't need to tell me the answers, you need to write yourself the answers. Or if you want to do this activity afterwards, write the question so and leave the space so that you can do give the answers afterwards. Okay, so this is an important self-analyzing activity. Don't cheat yourself, because this is an important activity, that how do you know yourself better or not. Okay, so I hope every one of you, whatever questions you have, kindly ask me during the live session. I'll try to answer it as much as possible when it comes to motivation, lockdown or anything. And the people, please bring pen and paper if you can, please. It's a request. Okay. Okay, let's start. I'll be asking you a few questions. Okay. Either you can write the question and leave the space and write the other question, the next question which I'll be talking about, or else if you want, you can write the answers directly and don't write the questions. Okay, but I would urge you, for self-analyzing, you can write the question, leave the 3-4 lines and then write the second question. All the questions you need to write by yourself so that you can analyze yourself afterwards. After completing this video, you can analyze yourself. Okay, and you can write your answers when you are, when no one is around, when you are, sitting calm and happy, and when you are alone by yourself, you'll be able to think about yourself in a better way. Okay, let's start. The first question: who am I really? Who am I really? Question mark. This is the first question. I'm not going to give you an answers. I'm just going to give you a hint, but you need to understand that who you really are. Who am I really? This is the question. You need to self-analyze yourself and you need to write your own answers. Okay, I am not asking you what answers you have written. Comment down below. I am not going to answer you, because this is a self-analyzing process. You need to analyze yourself by yourself. Okay, who am I really? The first question. Now, this doesn't mean that, you are a student, a human or anything. I don't want this stupid answers. This is about what is your identity right now. What is your identity in real life. Okay, so you need to understand that if you what is your actual identity when it comes to your presence in this world as a human. Okay, what is your identity? Okay, who am I really? This is the first question. Now leave the space. The second question is, what worries me the most about the future? What are the worries which you have for the future? This is the second question. What worries me the most about the future? Now you have to write about the worries what you have by yourself, which you cannot even share with other person also, or even if other people know. What are the worries which you have inside yourself? Okay, and what worries you about your future? Okay, so you have to write it down. Okay, don't write answers right now, write it afterwards. I'm just explaining you right now. Write the questions first. Okay, which is really important. The third question is, if this were the last day of my life, would I have the same plans for today? It means that if this were the last days of your life, would you have the same plans for today, like whatever you are doing today, that is only you want to continue in the future? Yes or no? So whatever it is, whatever answer you have, just write the question for now. Write the answer afterwards, because I'm explaining you, or I'm trying to explain you all the questions which I have written. Okay. Let's talk about the fourth question. What am I really scared of? What am I really scared of? The fifth question. Am I holding on to something I need to let go of? You're questioning yourself. Am I holding you on to something which I need to let go of? Are you in a process of releasing it or not? Are you holding on something, or you want to release it? This is the question. This is the fifth question. Sixth question for self-analyzing yourself. If not now, then when you'll take an action about your future? If not now, then when you will take the action for your future? You're questioning yourself. You need to write answer. Just relax, analyze yourself, and then answer these questions. Okay. Seventh question. What matters most in my life? What is the things which matters most in your life? Eighth question. What am I doing about the things that matter most in my life? Like suppose, for example, you want to do certain things that matters you the most. What action you are taking for that? So this is the eighth question. What am I doing about the things that matters most in my life? Ninth question. Why do I matter? Why do I matter? Why do you matter? Why you are here? What is the purpose of your life? Question yourself. 10th question. Have I done anything lately that's worth remembering? Have I done anything lately that's worth remembering? 11th, the most important question in my life at least. Okay. Have I made someone smile today or every single day? Have I made someone smile today? Because I feel in all the sessions, whatever I am doing, I feel that smile, being happy is the most important key for success. And I feel that being happy makes you satisfied for your own self. Okay. This creates your own self-worth in your life. Okay. So you need to understand this. 12th question. What have I given up on? What are the things you have given up on till now? What are those toxic things which you have given up on till now? 13th question. This is I feel okay, this is the 12th one. Okay, this is the most important question, guys, so please write it down. When did I last push the boundaries of my comfort zone? When you got out of your comfort zone, when was the last time you got out of your comfort zone and took action about something? When was it? This is a really important question, guys, for self-analyzing. Next question. What small act of kindness was I once shown that I will never forget? Whatever act of kindness you have done till now, what is that one thing which you remember till now? Which was the best one, which made you happy from inside? Act of kindness, guys. Okay. What small act of kindness was I once shown that I will never forget? Next question. What do I need to change about myself? What are the things you need to change about yourself? The bad activities, the bad things in yourself, the good things in yourself. Like, let's say you want to change some sort of bad behavior in yourself, so you are doing it. Okay, whatever questions you have, guys, you can ask me during the live session. Okay, because this sessions will be conducted till 16th of April 2020. Okay, and I would urge every single person out there, this whatever donations we are collecting through this live session, kindly donate. And if everyone if few of the people already have donated, you don't need to donate further. Okay, the details of the donation will be given in the caption above of this video after this video has been posted. Okay, so yes. Now next question. The last question was, what do I need to change about myself? Okay, the next question is it more important to love or be loved? Is it more important to be loved or be loved? Next question. How many of my friends would I trust with my life? How many friends are there in your life to whom you can trust blindly? To whom, like, that they will be there in your bad times no matter what? Next question. Who has had the greatest impact on my life? Who are the people or the friends, people, whosoever, who has had the greatest impact on my life? Okay, so this was the question for self-analyzing. This were the 10, 15, whatever questions I told you. Okay, 11, 12, 13 questions. So this were the self-analyzing questions. Now I'll be talking about, there will be 10 questions for self-reflection. For like, where do you stand for yourself? Like, what is it reflecting yourself in a very real way? Like, what is those particular activity which is actually reflecting you in a better way? Okay, so the questions, again I'm asking you questions. Okay, so write it, either you write the questions or try to answer it directly, but I would suggest you to write a question so that you can self-analyze after this video is completed and you can answer it afterwards. Okay, because this activity you have to do it alone, when you are alone, and you have to self-analyze yourself, and then you need to answer it. Don't answer it in rush. Okay, because if you are answering it in rush, that means that this activity won't be helpful for you. Okay, so you need to understand. So now there will be few questions. Write the heading self-reflection questions. Okay, self-reflection questions. Now, the first question, you have to analyze yourself. You have to question these questions by yourself, and you have to analyze in yourself, and then you need to write answers, because this is for yourself. This is for your betterment. Okay. Okay, next question. Once let me set the camera but in a better way. Okay. The first question, am I using my time wisely? Are you using your time wisely while sitting at home? Are you being productive at home? Are you doing something for yourself? Am I using my time wisely? Question mark. This is the first question for self reflection. Okay. Second question, am I taking anything for granted? Am I taking anything for granted? Third one, am I employing a healthy perspective? Am I employing a healthy perspective? Fourth, the most important question for me, am I true to myself? Am I honest with myself? Am I true to myself? Fifth question, am I waking up in the morning ready to take on the day? Are you feeling enthusiastic every single day in the morning? Fifth question, am I waking up in the morning ready to take on the day? Sixth question, am I thinking negative thoughts before I fall asleep? Are you having negative thoughts before sleeping? Seventh question, am I putting enough effort into my relationships? Whether it's a friend's relationship with a friend, relationship with a lover, relationship with a husband-wife, relationship with a mom, mother, father, whatever it is, sister, siblings and all. So am I putting enough effort into my relationships? Next question, am I taking care of myself physically? Are you fit? Are you going gym? Are you, practicing yoga asanas, whatever it is? Are you doing meditation? Are you doing any physical activity at your home? Am I taking care of myself physically? The second last question, am I letting matters that are out of my control stress me out? The most important question, guys. Am I letting matters that are out of my control stress me out? Like, are you, focusing on the matters which are stressing you a lot? Are you letting those matters of, being affected, by yourself? Like, are you getting affected by those matters or not? So the second last question I am repeating again. Am I letting matters that are out of my control stress me out? Question mark. And the last question for self-reflection, guys. The first heading was self-analyzing, where I told you 11 to 12 questions. Now is 10 questions under self-reflection, okay, heading. The last question is, am I achieving the goals that I have set for myself? Am I achieving the goals that I have set for myself? So these are the few questions which I asked you under two categories, self-analysis and self-reflection. Under self-analysis, there are 11 to 15 questions, I guess. I don't remember the number. But under self-reflection, there are 10 questions. So these questions you need to ask yourself. I'm not asking you to, comment me with each the answers or, screenshot me with all your answers. I don't need it, okay? I don't want it, okay? But this questions is preferably for the people who really don't think that they don't know themselves and where they stand in their life, okay? I feel that by asking these questions by yourself from yourself to yourself, okay, understand that you are asking these questions to yourself and trying to find answers internally. You are going through some internal healing, internal process of healing, and trying to answer on your own, trying to find these answers on your own and writing it down on your paper, okay? So I am not going to ask you to, rush it out. कि question दिए, so you need to answer it very fast as much as you can. No, never do it, okay? I am asking you to sit at a place, okay? Close your room, sit at a room and take a pen and a paper. Try to answer all your questions, whatever I asked the questions about. Try to answer it. First analyze it. First think about this question. Go in a deep thinking. think about it, go through some internal healing process, and then answer it, that okay, this question is this. Am I actually like this? Do I really know about myself? Okay, if I know myself, what kind of actions should I take further? Okay, so in this way you need to analyze yourself, and then you need to answer that yes, you have to do this is a two most important activity of self analysis and self reflection, okay, which you need to do it. I'm not telling you not to do it. I'm urging every single person out there globally, whosoever is sitting watching this live session. I am asking every single person out there to do this activity. This is important. This activity is important for every single person out there, okay, whosoever is going through some internal healing, whosoever is not going through some internal healing, please kindly answer these questions, because these questions really will help you out to change yourself in a better way, to transform yourself in a better way, and to reflect yourself in a better way, to analyze yourself in a better way, and you will get to know about yourself in a better way, much better way. It will also help you to impact you in yourself. It will help you and it will impact you positively in yourself in some way or the other way, because you will get to know yourself better rather as compared to someone else in life, okay. So yes, this was the questions, this was the activity. I haven't given much description, but I have given few tips and tips and techniques, you have to do it, why you are supposed to do this activity. Before starting this activity, I have already given you some tips and techniques. You need to understand that you need to go about it. You need to do this activities at home, because you are free right now. I hope like you are sitting at home during this lockdown. This will be the best thing to analyze yourself. Like this time will help you in a positive way, it will be helping you in a productive way, okay. So try to do something productive while sitting at home, guys, okay. So today is day 4. So yes guys, also one more thing I'm telling you, that if you like my sessions, share it further. Like it might help any single person out there who are dealing with some depression issues, anxiety issues during this lockdown, and anyone whosoever wants this sessions, kindly forward it, because in this channel, on this page, Vasoul Counseling, my previous sessions, like how to kill boredom during the lockdown, how to deal with anxiety issues, how to overcome depression, how to be more creative while sitting at home during the lockdown, all these topics we have taken. So I hope this will help you in some way or the other way. Also one more thing guys, kindly help us with the donation, because me and my team is really helping people out, working hard when it comes to collecting donations and raising the funds for the for this COVID-19 thing. And every single day for the next today's day 4, okay, till 16th, till 16th will be doing the donations. So donation details will be given above in the caption box below. Whatever donations will be collecting through this live sessions and my YouTube channel and my other 2 YouTube channel and my other 2 Facebook pages, all the donation amount will be given, transferred to PM Cares Fund, okay. Whatever, even if it's 1 rupee also you can donate, you can, okay. Whatever money we are collecting, 500,000, 2,000 through donations every single day, we are contributing it to PM Cares Fund, okay, whatever it is. So guys, I'm grateful to you. Give a thumbs up button guys if you like this video. Also kindly comment down below if you want to ask any questions regarding anything during this lockdown. Today is day 4 of lockdown, and let's see, the donation details will be given in the caption above guys, okay. Tomorrow at the same time I'll be coming up, tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. At the same time, and tomorrow it will be day 5, today is day 4. So yes, 3 more days left guys, since I'll be doing this live sessions till 16th of April 2020, okay. So yes guys, please help us in collecting and in generating the donations guys. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to you guys, and stay happy, stay safe. Also if you wish to enroll for our workshop, whatever I talked about in the in the starting of this video, kindly message me on Vasol counseling page, this page only. Kindly inbox me